Training Crypto Presents. Hola Token. Dollar Hola. Welcome to the exciting world of Hola Token, a revolutionary cryptocurrency platform that's making waves in the crypto community. Hola Token, or Dollar Hola, is an innovative Telegram-based order bot designed exclusively for the crypto community. With Hola, accessing and navigating crypto services becomes effortless. It streamlines browsing, negotiation, and transaction processes. No more complex websites or lengthy communication. Hola brings diverse crypto products and services together in one convenient marketplace. Hola Token prioritizes the security and privacy of its users. Service providers have the option to undergo KYC verification, ensuring trust and reliability within the community. Funds are securely held in escrow until services are successfully delivered, protecting users against fraudulent activities. Hola introduces the Hola Revenue Share NFT collection, where 100% of revenue from services goes back to NFT holders. NFT owners not only receive the revenue share but also own a portion of the Dollar Hola token supply listed on the NFT. Hola Token's unique proposition of a 0% buy and sell tax aims to make transactions free from additional costs. It also claims lightning fast, secure, and low-cost transactions, offering financial freedom for users worldwide. Hola Tokens claims to have two major partnerships, poised to take the project to new heights. While details are under wraps, Hola claims these collaborations have the potential to expand Hola Tokens' use cases and reach new markets. The live Hola token price today is $0.00037 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,766,000 USD. The current coin market cap ranking is number 2199, with a live market cap and circulating supply not available and a max supply of $10 billion Hola coins. Hola is an ERC20 token, launched on the 24th of August 2023, reaching an all-time high of $0.00054 by the 3rd of September. There are currently 952 holders of this token. Hola tokens can be traded on decentralized exchanges. The most popular exchange to buy and trade Hola token is Uniswap v2, Ethereum. It's also available on CoinTiger. If successful, Hola Token is a promising cryptocurrency with a strong foundation of development efforts, major partnerships, and a game-changing 0% buy and sell tax. Its user-friendly approach paves the way for a more inclusive and accessible financial future. As we eagerly await the official partnership announcements, Hola Token's global impact could become increasingly apparent. Thank you for watching this video. Please note, this is for entertainment purposes only and it is important to do your own research before considering investing in this token. Please tune in for more videos on trending crypto projects.